Today, I got invited to Lego Town Fire Station. Hello, I'm Tutor. Thank you for inviting me.
Hello, TolTol. My name is Bailey, and this is our house dog, Cody.
You are so cute.
I can see Cody really likes you. Come on, let's go. I'll show you around.
How many firefighters are in this station?
There are 5 of us in this station.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5.
We can start with the garage. We have different vehicles for different emergencies. Can you tell me what this is?
This is a fire engine.
Correct. You see this over here? It helps us to keep the fire engine steady while we're putting out the fire. Do you know what this is?
It is a hose.
That's right. It's a hose. We use this to put out the fire. What about this one?
It's a ladder.
Correct. We use the ladder to reach high places. Now let's go check out the helicopter. Helicopters can be used when we need to put out forest fires or when we need to go to places where it's hard to reach. Can you tell me what this is?
It's a blade.
Good job! Right again. Do you see the spotlight over here? The pilot can turn this on when it gets dark.
Hey, Bailey, I have a question. What is this for?
It's a water tank to hold water. And this nozzle over here, it can help the helicopter spray water to put out the fire, just like this.
That's so cool.
Hello, I am Fireman Joe. How are you doing today? We are so glad that you can join us.
Hello, nice to meet you.
This is where we take emergency calls. When there is an emergency, most people call 999 and the call center will let the fire station know.
Is the emergency phone 999 for everywhere in the world?
Where we live, it's 999, but emergency numbers can be different in other countries.
Hey guys, what is your country's emergency phone number?
Oh, he's getting a call. Someone didn't call 999 and instead is calling the fire station.
Hello, is this the fire station? I have an emergency. I am hungry. Please can you deliver some pizzas?
Sorry, but that's not an emergency. You should call the pizzeria.
My mistake, sorry.
Question for you, everyone. Tell me if this is an emergency for the fire department. Number 1, there is smoke coming out of a building.
Yes, it is an emergency.
Number 2, there is a car accident and somebody got hurt.
Yes, it's an accident and it's an emergency for the fire department.
That's correct. Us firefighters are also trained for medical emergency, so we can help people who got injured from accidents. Last question. A kid forgot to bring his lunchbox to school. Is this an emergency for the fire department?
No, maybe he can call his mom for the lunchbox.
This is where we take a rest. Us firefighters can work very long hours. Sometimes we work the whole day. Hey, TolTol, how many hours are there in one day?
24. There are 24 hours in a day.
Fire at downtown. Engine 60110. Engine 60110.
TolTol. That's us. Let's go.
Do 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 do. Oh no! I forgot to turn off the grill for the barbecue.
What is this smell? Oh my goodness! Fire!
Help! Hey, Billy, I can help put out the fire. Don't panic. We can put out the fire for you. Hello, man. Let me help you. Hold my hand. Hold my hand, sir. You can do it.